Cat and camel pose. In Sanskrit, Vajri asana. Step 1. Start in a tabletop pose. Position knees under hip and wrist under shoulder. Spine neutral. Now step 2. Inhale, come into cow. Drop your belly low, releasing your glutes. Breathe into your inner diaphragm ability. Exhale and come into cat. Squeeze your glutes and curve your back. Now we see the benefits cat-cow pose. It stretches and strengthens our spine and neck. It helps regulate breathing. It improves posture and help relieve the stress. Stretches hip, abdomen and back. Improve our flexibility. It reduces belly fat. It reduces lower back pain and help relieve sciatica pain. It relieves menstrual cramps, improve our balance. The cat-cow pose stretches toes and neck. It gives nice and gentle massage in our spine and internal organs. For better result, do 10 to 15 rounds in the morning. Now inhale and I extend my left hand and right leg. This is a modification of cat-cow pose. This exercise strengthens my wrist and knee joint as well as toe point. You can hold it according to your capacity. Holding here for 8 count. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. For more such videos, like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.